Hey gamers and Monopoly Go enthusiasts, are you tired of your Monopoly Go experience being disrupted by freezing or crashing issues? Worry not. Today we'll walk you through how to fix Monopoly Go freezing or crashing so you can enjoy seamless gameplay. Step 1. Ensure your device meets the requirements. The first step in figuring out how to fix Monopoly Go's freezing or crashing is to ensure your device meets the game's requirements. Check the App Store listing for Monopoly Go to find the minimum OS version and hardware specification. Older devices may not handle the game smoothly. If your device doesn't meet these requirements, consider upgrading or playing on another device that does. Step 2. Update game and device software. A common cause of freezing and crashing is outdated software. Both the Monopoly Go app and your device's operating system should be the latest versions available. Update Monopoly Go. Head to your App Store and see if there's an update available for Monopoly Go. Developers frequently release updates to enhance performance and fix bugs. Update your device. Check your device settings for any pending system update. Keeping your device's OS updated ensures optimal compatibility with apps. Step 3. Clear cache and free up space. If you're still experiencing problems, the next step is to clear the app cache and free up some space on your device. Clear cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. For iOS, you might need to reinstall the app to clear cache effect. Free up space. Aim for at least 20% of your device's storage to be free for smooth operation. Delete unused apps, transfer photos to the cloud, or remove old files to free up space. Step 4. Check your connection. Monopoly Go requires a stable internet connection. Sometimes the game might crash or freeze due to a weak or unstable connection. Wi-Fi check. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong. Move closer to your router or reset the connection if needed. Mobile data. If you're on mobile data, ensure you have a solid signal. Consider switching to Wi-Fi if the problem persists. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it might be time to reinstall the game. 1. Delete the app. Uninstall Monopoly Go from your device. 2. Restart device. After uninstalling, restart your device to clear any lingering issue. 3. Reinstall Monopoly Go. Head to your App Store and download Monopoly Go again. Reinstalling can often solve persistent crashing problems. Step 6. Contact support. If you're still facing issues after all these steps, it might be time to contact the game's support team. Look for a help or support option within the app or on the Monopoly Go website. Provide detailed information about your device and the issues you're encountering to get the best. Learning how to fix Monopoly Go freezing or crashing doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, ensuring your device meets requirements, updating software, clearing cache, checking connections, or even reinstalling the game, you can resolve most issues. Remember, a seamless gaming experience is just a few steps away. Enjoy endless rounds of Monopoly Go without interruptions and have fun passing Go to collect your reward. Happy gaming.